I'm Anna Olson, and you're in the mix with Flavour Network Canada. Valentine's Day is a way to celebrate love in thoughtful ways, and we're crafting up a celebration that is as meaningful as it is memorable. I'm here with Valerie Azinge, a renowned chef and cookbook author, and she's here to help.
Thank you for having me, Anna. From an indulgent homemade treat to the perfect finishing touches, together, we're going to make chocolate truffles. They're rich, they're luxurious, and they're also easy and personalized. And just like these personalized homemade truffles, you can add a personal touch to Valentine's Day with the perfect jewelry from Pandora.
Valerie, I like where you're going with this. We've got chocolate and a thoughtful gift. Let's get started.
Let's do it. So first, we're going to chop our chocolate into chunks.
Okay, and do you like to use baking chocolate or chips?
I do prefer baking chocolate only because it makes the truffles extra silky.
Okay.
So once we chop them into chunks, we're going to transfer them to a heat-proof bowl. So now we've heated up some whipping cream, and what we're going to do is pour that warm cream over the chopped chocolate.
Ooh. And do you like to let this sit?
I do like to let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay. Oh, and that lets the heat really get into the chocolate.
Exactly.
And after that, we stir, yes?
Let's do it. So I like to continue to stir until smooth, and this is the true test of patience. Once done stirring, we have to put it in the refrigerator for about 1.5 hours to set.
Ah, patience. But here it is, already chilled and ready for us to scoop.
Look at that. Now, I don't know about you, Anna, but we're moving on to my very favorite part, which is the toppings. So I have a few bowls set out here for toppings. We have shredded coconut, some cacao nibs, cocoa powder, crushed hazelnuts, and some sprinkles. And we're going to scoop these out and roll them in these toppings.
Ah, great. And I like to use either a small spoon or scoop to shape them and then roll them between your palms. That way you get a perfectly round shape. And then we just roll them in the different toppings here.
We roll them in and we place them on a lined baking sheet. And there you have it, Anna, the truffles all ready. Look how beautiful they look.
They are stunning.
And to finish these off, we're going to put them in parchment paper cups.
Oh, I like that idea.
You know what you like even better? You can make it a little fancy, and you can put it in a heart-shaped box.
Oh, it's just so Valentine's.
Very magical. And just like this personalized homemade dessert, you can do the same with jewelry from Pandora too.
You know, I love that luxury doesn't have to be complicated. I mean, look at these truffles. They're just spectacular. But speaking of luxurious, what about this ambiance?
It is everything from the soft lighting, which I do love these candles, and I'm just gonna add an extra bit of lighting to this romantic setting.
Oh, now you're setting the mood.
And then we also have a thoughtful playlist, and look at this beautiful table setting. Everything feels so magical.
It is absolutely beautiful and perfect for Valentine's Day.
Yes, it is.
Here's to celebrating love in all its forms. Thank you, Valerie, and thank you for joining us on In the Mix on Flavour Network Canada. Happy Valentine's Day. Presented in part by Pandora Jewelry.